So I'm at a Circle K just outside of Dublin. We need to do our laundry. So that around Dublin, around the UK, where we can tell, there's a lot of these wash me areas where they have these big drums of washing that you hook up. You dump all your clothes in, come over here to the pay screen, and you just pick wash or dry, tap your card, clear instructions on how to load it. This one, the soap is included in the wash, so that was easy. We didn't need anything. We had a couple of dryer sheets, so we threw our dryer sheets in here. And then for the dryers, easy instructions, there's a timer left. It fits a bunch of clothes, but super convenient. Just at a Circle K, there's a restaurant inside. We just hang out in the car and do our laundry. So, pretty cool.